Hello students! Today we're going to play around with some rhythms and some drumming. So we're going to need to collect some different kinds of instrument timbres. You will need from your toolkit your rhythm sticks, which of course are made from wood. And again, just in case anybody doesn't have their toolkit at home or their rhythm sticks, any long, skinny plastic or wood sticks will work great. Anything you can do some alternating hands with. These will be most important, our rhythm sticks, but we also today need to find some found sounds around your house. Now you have lots of options for this. You could find something in your kitchen or your garage or anything that's safe to use. We also have some options in our toolkit that we could use for some found sounds too. Now, we're going to need two objects. Doesn't really matter what they are, but I would like those two objects that you find to be of different materials. So I'm going to give you some suggestions for you to use, and I'll tell you which ones I'm going to use today. One really great suggestion is if you have a plastic cutting board in your kitchen. This is just a cheap dollar store one, and that's perfect because this is made of plastic and that is a different material than my wooden sticks. So when I click my sticks, it makes a very different sound than playing on the plastic. So we've got some different timbres going on. Okay, so I've got my wooden sticks and I've got a plastic cutting board. Another kind of material you could use is metal. Now there's lots of different metal things, but make sure if you find something metal that it's something safe to use. Maybe if you've got an old pot or pan from your kitchen, that would work, but I decided to use some aluminum soda cans here. Now one would work just fine, but I wanted it to stay stable a little bit better when I play with it on the floor. So I took 3 cans, they're all empty, and I put some rubber bands around them so they stick together. That way they stand up without falling over when I tap them with the sticks. So that's an option for a metal material. If you're having trouble finding anything plastic or metal around your house, we do have some things in our toolkit that would work really well. Our noodle actually would be perfect. It's kind of a foam material and you can play on it with your sticks. It does tend to roll around a little bit, which is not great, but if you tap it lightly, it makes a different sound than all the rest. It doesn't travel too far. Or let's see what else we've got. You should have your rubber all ball in there. It tends to roll around too, but it also makes a great sound because of its rubber or plastic texture. Tends to bounce a little bit though. So find 2 sounds in addition to your sticks that you can use. I'm going to use my plastic cutting board because it stays nice and flat, and my empty soda can metal. So I've got plastic and metal, and of course your rhythm sticks. Grab those and we should be ready to start.